Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so right here today I have another AI which possibly gonna be reviewing, and it's called Artflow AI. And right here, as you can see, here is Artflow. You can see Actor Builder, Image Studio, Video Studio, Story Studio. Join our Discord. Well, I'm surprised almost all of them have Discord. And earn money. Okay, so let me check the earn money aspect. Okay, you can become an affiliate for them, and you can earn money. Okay, you can earn 25% commission from the referral. Okay, that's cool. Anyway, if you're looking for a way to make money online, you can always check the link in the video description. Okay, so right there is Arts Flow. Okay, and right there you there like with this AI you can use it to create actor builder. Like you can generate a picture art. Okay, for yourself. You can also generate an image studio. Okay, so this is the picture art aspect. Let's see the image studio so you can see. You will generate. My network is kind of a bit bad, but however, I just hope I'm able to give value. Okay, so these are images which are not loading. I'm sorry about that. You can create personalized images with your face. Also, we have video studio. Okay, whereby you can animate your character. Okay, create scenes, places, word. You can create consistent characters and all that. And also, maybe possibly this might not even be my fault. I think it's their page. Maybe they need to do better because I've been able to load several pages today and I've not had issue with images. Okay, so maybe it's their page. I don't think it's my network actually. I've loaded several websites today and they load um, very well. Okay, so let me just try to. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to sign up. Okay, to make use of Artflow, right? So let me do that. Let me sign up. Okay, so I've gone ahead to create an account, and right there you can see. So now, I actually try to upload in a photo here. So, but I'm not gonna be going ahead to explain everything one by one, but uh, this is just how it works. Let me see the video aspect. I don't know, the page is kind of very slow in responding. I don't like backends like this. Okay, good, cool. So this is the actor aspect. So you just have to select your gender, your age, if it's adult or child, then paste in your name. You upload 5 images of yourself. Then I don't know why all these images are not loading. Okay, so the type of image you should use: solo picture, face fully visible, varied poses, background. So you shouldn't post images that are group shots or maybe images with art, glasses, face covering. All those kind of images are not allowed. So once you upload the 5 images, then they will use that to define your actor. Okay, so they'll use that to define your actor. So that means they'll be able to use that to create a avatar for you. Okay, which you can decide to use in your social media pages and also other platforms. Okay, and also we have image studio here. Okay, so these are images. You can create your first image. Okay, you click that. Okay, so you can see, so you write whatever you want to be at the back of the image. You can create videos, story studio. Maybe you want to create stories like shorts videos. You can create them. Okay, new story. So I have a story, create my story outline from scratch, create my story outline with the help of AI. You can also join their Discord group. Okay, your community, which is right there. You can also know what's new. All right, and also possibly earn money. Okay, and we've got some credits right there. All right, so you can, these are the credits that you're gonna be using. So the mentor credit is done. You will not be able to create. You can see how many credits it costs to create a video. You have 1 minute of videos from from Story Studio cost 25 credits. Okay, so if you're creating a 1 minute video from the studio story, then you need to know that you're using 25 credits. Okay, and if you're creating 1 minute video from the video story, you are using 50 credits. So meaning, even with these, because when it comes to content creation online, maybe you want to create content, at least you should create a 1 minute video. Okay, so meaning if you create a video story now, from air, from this video story, and it's 1 minute, you've used 50 credits. So meaning you will only be able to create 2 videos with the 100 credits you have here. Why, if it's studio story that you want to create, maybe just studio, then it's 25 credits you use for a minute. So meaning 1 minute videos will take you, like, you can only create 4 videos. If it's 1 minute, 4 videos with this story studio. Okay, but if it's video studio, you only create 2 videos with with this, because it's, if it's a minute. Okay, but if it's 30 seconds, then you can still go and create 4 videos. So you still need to have more credits before you can enjoy AI like this. Okay, so that is what you need to know. You need to have more credits, you need to upgrade. And if we check their plan, You can see their pricing. So they have the free plan, generates, sorry about that, generates AI images for free, no credit card required. You can see 100 credits per month. So you only be able to create 2 or 3 4. I guess you can create per month, might be 5 videos per month with this basic plan. While with the starters plan, you have 300 credits per month, which is still low to me, because that means just with the 300 credits per month, if you're creating with the video studio, you only be able to create, with this you can create 2. So meaning with this you only be able to create 6 videos, which is still very low. But this 1000 credits might still be okay. However, okay, with this you can have 12 minutes videos from, okay, studio story, so which is still cool. Okay, it's still cool because you have 12 minutes video per per story. Okay, and also this one 6 minutes of video per story. All right, so oh well, that's kind of cool. So 12 minutes, so that's 12 videos. Okay, so you can still create 12 videos with this. Okay, why from video story you create 6 videos. So okay, that's also what I said actually. 6 videos, 6 videos. It's still low. Okay, it's still very low. Okay, monthly is $12 per month, while this one is $40 per month, and this one enterprise is let's talk. So that means with this pro plan, you still have to create you're only limited to maybe 40 minutes, like 40 videos. If you're creating 1 minute video, you're limited to 40 videos, while this one you're limited to 20 videos. All these are still very small to me. I don't like the plan with the numbers of videos one can create, because as for me, my videos, I create a lot of videos. I mean, just on one of my TikTok alone, I create at least 60 videos in a month. So this is kind of too low, okay, to me, because that means I'll only be able to create, and all my videos are always 1 minute long. Some are even close to 2 minutes. So meaning I'll only be able to create less than maybe 15 videos, or yeah, let's say 15 videos just with this. Okay, with the video studio, then the story studio also maybe possibly 30 videos. So it's kind of small for me. So although I have a team and I also create my videos myself, and in case you would like to me to create a video for you, you can always reach out to me, maverickopera@gmail.com. I'm gonna write it on the screen, so you can reach out to me there, maverickopera@gmail.com. So maybe I can help you to create some videos for your for your content. Okay, so anyway, that's it. That's what I have for you in today's video tutorial. Well, Artflow, it's cool. It's a cool AI, but I think their plans and the capabilities they give to people, they are too low for me, because all these I want something that can create like maybe 150 videos, 100 videos in a month are good, not just 20 minutes video and all that. All right. So thank you very much for your time. So that means if you are going for this, you still possibly pay more. This all this $12 for, like, you might need to be paying as high as $100 before you might be able to enjoy these tools. Okay. So that is what I have for you. Anyway, thank you very much. And if you've used this tool, you can let us know your thoughts. Okay. And I'll see you in another video review. And if you're looking for a way to make money online, always make sure that you click the link in the video description, or check the screen I'm going to be linking there, so that you can take advantage of the opportunity to also make money online. I'll see you in another video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.